Hello students, so welcome to the part 2 of the chapter section formula. So here I'll be explaining you how to apply section formula in solving few questions. So the first question is, find the coordinates of P which divides the join of A and B in the ratio this. So they have given you 2 points and they have asked, and they are also given the ratio in which this P divides the line segment AB. Okay, and you have to find the coordinates of P. So first thing which you'll write is, you'll write let the coordinates of P be x comma y. Okay, so what you have? You have A, coordinates of A is 4 comma minus 5, and coordinates of B is 6 comma 3. Okay, and you also have the ratio in which P divides, that is M1 is to M2 is 2 is to 5. Now this can be treated as x1 and this becomes your y1, this becomes x2 and this becomes your y2. Okay, so what's the formula? The formula for x will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So you can write here using section formula we get. Okay, so you are using section formula to get the coordinates of x and y. So coordinates of P, that is x and y. So now put the value. You have m1 and m2. m1 is 2 into x2 is how much? See here, this is your x2, 6, plus m2 is how much? 5, and x1 is how much? 4, by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 5. Okay, so this becomes 12 plus 20 by 7, that is 32 by 7. This is x. Now let's go for y. So formula for y is m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So m1 is how much? 2 into y2 is how much? 3 plus m2 is how much? 5 into y1 is how much? Minus 5 by m1 plus m2. 6 plus minus minus 25 by 7 is equals to minus 19 by 7. Okay, so you'll write therefore coordinates of P equals to 32 by 7 comma minus 19 by 7. When they ask you coordinates, you have to write at the end like this. Okay, the coordinates will be this. So this is how this question is done. Now let's go for another question. So the next question is, in what ratio is the line joining the points this and this divided by the x-axis? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So let me represent this in graph so that you can have a clear idea. So 4 comma 2 will be in the first quadrant as both are positive. Suppose it is somewhere out here. Okay, suppose this is 4 comma 2. 3 comma minus 5, so plus minus, so it will be in the last quadrant, there is fourth quadrant. Here x is plus and y is negative. So suppose it is out here, somewhere here. Okay, so this is 3 comma minus 5. This I am drawing just roughly. Now this line segment you can see is intersecting the x-axis. you don't have to, it's not compulsory that you have to make the diagram like this. You can just make a straight line and show A, B and like this. Okay, I am drawing it in graph just to give you a clear idea about the question. So these are the 2 points and they are intersecting x-axis at here. So let that point, so that's what they are asking, in what ratio is the line joining the points this and this divided by the x-axis. So x-axis is dividing this line segment in 2 parts. They are asking the ratio of the 2 parts. Okay, so now suppose we will take that point to be P. Now tell me, since P lies on x-axis, so what will be its coordinate? Its coordinate, we will take it as x comma 0. Any point on x-axis, its coordinate is represented by x comma 0, because 0, y is always 0 of any point on x-axis. Okay, and we will take the ratio to be m1 is to m2. So this point is first, so m1 is to m2, and we will take this as A and this as B. Okay, so this is our situation. We have taken the ratio. So in what ratio is the line joining the point this and this divided by the axis? So we will say, let the ratio, so what we will write, let the ratio in which point P x comma 0 divides the line joining A 4 comma 2 and B 3 comma minus 5. So let the ratio in which the point P x comma 0 divides the line joining A 4 comma 2 and B 3 comma minus 5 be m1 is to m2. Okay, so here you see we have the y coordinate of P and that is 0, we know that. So now we will be using section formula and we will use the formula for y coordinate of P. So using section formula, what we can write, y is equals to m1 x2, since we are using y, so it will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Now how much is the y coordinate of P? It is 0, so we will put that. m1 we don't know, it will remain m1. And how much is y2? See here, the second point is B, so y2 will be minus 5. So into minus 5 plus m2 is how much? m2 we don't know. y1 is how much? y1 is 2 by m1 plus m2. So when m1 plus m2 goes this side, it will get multiplied with 0 and it will become 0, and this becomes minus 5m1 plus 2m2. Okay, so let me take this term in this side. So 5m1 is equals to 2m2. So m1 and this m2 comes out here and this 2 remains out here and 5 goes out there. So therefore m1 is to m2 is equals to 2 is to 5. So we got the ratio in which P divides AB. Okay, now what? They have asked one more question. What? Also find the coordinates of the point of intersection. That means you have to find the coordinate of P. So y is given but x is still unknown, so you have to find x. And now since you have the ratio, you have the 2 points, so everything you know, now you can easily find the x coordinate using section formula. Okay, so just use the section formula and you will get, let me do it out here for you. You will again write using section formula. So what will be the formula of x? X will be m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now how much is m1? m1 is 2 into how much is x2? See here, x2 is 3, x1 is 4. Okay, x2 is 3 and x1 is 4. Okay, sorry, x1 is 4 and x2 is 3. Just a little bit of mistake out here, let me correct it. So 2 into 3 Okay, it was correct. And 5 into 4. So x2 is 3 and x1 is 4 by 2 plus 5. So 6 plus 20 by 7. So 26 by 7. So you'll write, therefore, coordinates of P is equals to 26 by 7 comma 0. Okay, so this is how we find ratio, and we can also find, after finding the ratio, we can find the coordinates. Now I am going to explain you one question on points of trisection, but before I solve the question for you, let me explain what do you mean a points of trisection. So points of trisection means a line segment is getting divided into 3 parts. Suppose AB is divided into 3 parts by the points P and Q. So P and Q becomes the points of trisection, 3 equal parts. P and Q are dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So what will be the ratio then? In what ratio P divides AB? So simple, see, it is 3 equal parts. So P divides the line segment into, this is 2 part and this is 1 part, so it divides 1:2. So P will divide, that is AP is to PB will be 1:2, because this is 1 part and from P to B it is 2 part out here. Now and in what ratio Q divides AB? So 2 part is here, 1 part is here. So AQ is to QB will be 2:1. Okay. So this concept we are going to use, है ना. ये 3 पार्ट हो गया, देखो अच्छे से. P ये 1 2 3 पार्ट हो गया. तो P किस रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है AB को? तो P के इधर हो गया 1 पार्ट और इधर हो गया 2 पार्ट, इसलिए AP by PB is 1:2. और Q के लिए जस्ट इसका ऑपोजिट, Q के इधर 2 पार्ट है, इधर 1 पार्ट है. सो AQ is to QB will be 2:1. Okay, now let me take a question and then solve it for you. So the question is, find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the point this and this. So there is a line segment joining A and B. You have to find the points of trisection of this line. So since these are the points of trisection, that means these 3 parts are going to be equal. These 3 parts become equal when they are points of trisection, 3 equal parts. So I have taken, let the coordinates of P and Q be A comma B and C comma D respectively. So these are the points of trisection and I have taken the coordinates to be A comma B and C comma D. Now for P, when I am going for P, what's the ratio in which P divides AB? It's 1:2. So for P, M1 is to M2 is 1:2, because we are telling AP is to PB is equals to M1 is to M2, and that is 1:2. And this will become your X1 Y1 and this will become your X2 Y2. Okay, so using section formula, what you can write? Using formula, A is the x coordinate of P. So what is the formula for that? So let me here write x and then I will put the value of x, that is A. Okay, so M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. Just put the value. So x out here is A, we have taken. So M1 is how much? 1. So 1 into x2 is how much? So x2 is -8 plus M2 is how much? 2 into x1 is how much? 6 by 1 plus 2. So -8 plus 12, okay, divided by 3 is equals to 4 by 3. You got the x coordinate of P. Now let's go for the y coordinate of P. Now y is equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this implies, what's the y coordinate, what we have taken? B. So B is equals to m1 is 1 into y2 is 10 plus m2 is 2 y1 is minus 2 by 1 plus 2. So 10 minus 4 by 3, that is 6 by 3, that is 2. Therefore coordinates of P will be 4 by 3 comma 2. You can write here, therefore coordinates of P equals to 4 by 3 comma 2. Okay, in the same way you will solve for Q. In case of Q, you will write for Q, AQ is to QB will be 2:1, and you will proceed in the same way. You have the ratio, you have the value of x1 y1 x2 y2, so easily you can solve it and you can get the coordinates of Q. In this way we can find the coordinates of trisection of a line segment. Okay, now at the end I am going to explain you midpoint formula also, because it is nothing different from section formula, it's just the application of section formula out here. Midpoint formula, that means a formula which helps you to find coordinate of a point of a midpoint of a line segment. So here P, in section formula P was any point on the line segment and the ratio could be anything, isn't it? But here P is the midpoint of this line segment. That means the ratio is 1:1, 1:1. So these values are given, x1 y1 this is given, x2 y2 is given, and this we have to find. So here, since P is the midpoint of AB, so the ratio is 1:1. So let's use this ratio and see what changes we find in the section formula. Okay, so using section formula, what you can write, x is m2 x1 plus m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So in place of m1 we are going to put 1, so 1 into x2 will become x2, 1 into x1 will become x1 by m1 is also 1, m2 is also 1, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now section formula for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So m1 is 1, 1 into y2 is y2, 1 into y1 is y1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means coordinate of a midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. It's very simple. Okay, so suppose 2 points are given and you have to find the midpoint of that line segment joining the points A and B. Then you can directly write coordinates of the midpoint will be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Let me quickly take a question and explain you. So I have taken a question out here. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment joining the points this and this. So there is a line segment joining points P and Q. P is 4 comma minus 6 and Q is minus 2 comma 4, and you have to find the coordinate of its midpoint. So let M be its midpoint and the coordinate is x comma y. So using midpoint formula, what do you write? Using midpoint formula, x will be x1 plus x2 by 2. So what's x1? 4. What's x2? Minus 2 by 2, that is 4 minus 2 by 2, that is 2 by 2, and it's 1. Okay, and y will be y1 plus y2 by 2. So y1 is how much? Minus 6. This is y2 is 4 by 2, that is minus 2 by 2, that is minus 1. So you can write, therefore the coordinates of midpoint joining the line P and Q is, in bracket you can write 1 comma minus 1. Okay.